Jacob, what day is today? What day is today, Jacob? Today is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving? And also, guess what? It's your 2-month birthday. So you're 2 months old. And you're sliding. Yeah. So, are you going to smile for Mommy? You going to smile for Mommy? Huh? There you go. There you go. Oh. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Is this a cute little newborn outfit? You got from Rocky and Carol? Yeah? Say Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Beep, beep, beep. Let me see your smile. Oh. All right. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.